Hello everyone, I'm Tanwal Reddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 24 of 100 days of Cloud by Cloud. In the day 24 task, we are going to attach an application load balancer to the EC2 instance. So if you check the task clearly here, we need to set up an application load balancer and the name of Xfusion ALB, and we need to create the target group, and then we have to create the new security group and have to open the port of 80, and that security group need to be attached to the created ALB. After that, we need to allow the port 80 to the instance of the Xfusion EC2 in the EC2 console. So also we have to make appropriate changes in the default security group that was attached to the EC2 instance. So now click on console URL, give the username and the password. Search for EC2, click on EC2. Now we can see here the one instance was already in running state, and we need to route the traffic to this EC2 instance. So we need to make the changes in the security group. Click on security and then select the security groups. Edit inbound rules. Click on add rule, choose the HTTP and anywhere IPv4, and also try to add the SSH so we can SSH into the EC2 instance IPv4. Click on save rules. Again click on EC2. Let's try to create the load balancer and the name of Xfusion ALB. Create load balancer. We need to create the application load balancer, and that should be of internet facing. So click on create, give the name, and that should be internet facing. We need to choose the at least two availability zones. That's why I'm choosing US East 1C and US 1D. In the US 1D, the instance was deployed. So we need to create the new security group. We'll create after we can create the target group. Click on create new security group. Give the name as Xfusion SG. Description also same. Click on add rule and choose the HTTP anywhere IPv4. Click on create security group. Now click on refresh here. Choose the created Xfusion SG security group, and the listener and the routing port should be 80, so leave it as is. And also we need to create the new target group. Click on create target group. Copy the name of the target group. We need to route the traffic to the instance, so that's why I'm choosing instance type was instances. Copy the and paste it the target group name, and the routing protocol should be port 80, and everything leave it as is and click on next. Here we have to choose the traffic for which instance to be routed. So one instance is available and click on including as pending below. Click on next, create target group. This was created, and again go back and click on refresh. Select the target group that we are created right now. Click on create target, click on create load balancer. And here the load balancer was created, but until we need to wait the status becomes available. After that we can able to access the website that was hosted in the EC2 by using this DNS. So we need to wait till minimum of 3 to 5 minutes until it provision to active status. We can check the resource map here. One instance was in still unused state. Before check with the EC2 IP whether it is working or not before it completing the provisioning status. Copy the public IP. We can see the default page of the Nginx web server. So after completing the provisioning, we can able to access the website at ALB DNS. Click on refresh. It was in still provisioning state. After it becomes to the available, then only we can able to access the website at this ALB DNS. Now we can see the active status becomes 1, the healthy node 1 and unhealthy 0. So we can able to access the website by the load balancer DNS. Click on refresh. Try to close this and again copy the DNS. If you check, the status becomes available. So paste this. Here the healthy node was showing 80. Need to wait. What's happened wrong with this? Click on edit inbound rules. Try to choose allow all traffic. Save rules. Again try to copy the DNS. Check it. And we can see we are able to access the default web page of Nginx by using the application load balancer. Now let's try to check the task whether it is completed or not. And we can see here we are successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video.